So I'm doing a service on the R36 here. So I've got the oil filter off there. Now, just something about the genuine filters versus aftermarket. So I'm going to be replacing it with a Mann filter, which is just as good, if not actually a genuine filter that Volkswagen have manufactured for them. I'm not 100% sure on that. It could be Mann, it could be Hengst, it could be a couple of other brands. But the one that I was running in there was a Cooper. So this is an aftermarket filter that I get quite cheap on my trade account through a local parts supplier. Now, these are not a OEM filter. They say on the box that it meets all of the requirements and all of the specs and all of that sort of thing. So lots of mechanics, lots of workshops use them. Now, I just wanted to put to rest, this has been in there for about 12,000 Ks, or a little under a year, and there's no sign of it collapsing or anything like that. So I'm not sure where the rumors come from. Maybe it's people not installing them correctly when they actually put them in, but I don't believe there's actually anything wrong with running an aftermarket filter. If that's all that you had and you couldn't get your hands on a OEM or a, one of these brand names, these European brand names or anything like that, if you couldn't grab one of these and you went down to your local parts supplier and that's all that they had, I think more so than anything, it's the error in installation rather than the actual filter itself. So I'd have no problem running this again. Spares Box, shout out to Spares Box, had a special on these filters and free shipping and some stuff a while back, so I ended up just grabbing one of them. It actually ended up costing about the same as a aftermarket filter anyway, so I'm pretty happy with that. But yeah, look, just a quick video to basically outline that there's nothing wrong with running a Cooper filter.